Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can immediately stop getting added to random groups in Google Groups. Let's begin. So yeah, you actually had this problem. Being repeatedly added to groups you don't want to join can quickly become frustrating, especially if it leads to unwanted emails and notifications. Fortunately though, Google Groups provides several settings and options that you can actually manage the invitations, memberships, and communication preferences. So simply click over here if you are on your Windows settings, right? You need to locate global settings. Click over here, and you will notice these two options: add me to their groups, invite me to their groups. So I highly suggest you uncheck these two. All right. Once done, click on save. And from that point, you will no longer receive any invites randomly added into any groups that you are not associated with. But pretty much that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.